How to enable floating app window mode, or also known as pop-up view mode, for Nothing Phone with Android 15, Nothing OS 3. To enable pop-up view mode, the first thing you want to do is already have the app open. Second, go into the recents view mode by tapping on the button here or recents gesture. So go into the recents view mode like this here, and once in this view mode, you'll notice every app that's open will have the app icon to the top here. And once you see it, tap on it once, and you'll see the pop-up view option shown here, and you'll go ahead and select that. If the app doesn't have this option, it means this app cannot go into the pop-up view mode. So we got YouTube here, which is great because other Android phones may not work for YouTube, and we really want that. So as you go into it here, you'll be able to now see the floating icon here like this, and you can move this around. And a single tap would increase the size of it. And you can also pull down on the tabs here on the corners as well, and that's going to give you that size that you're looking for. You'll tap on the video player if it's a video player type of app here, and once you hit play, you'll be able to view the video. And while this is happening, you can also go into another app like this here and watch the video or navigate that other app that's in floating mode, as well as navigate the other app here that's underneath in full display. Now, if you're done with that, you can choose to press the X, which will close it out, or pull on the tab here to expand it in full. And of course, you can also repeat this process once again, and you're back to what it was like and said.